Good day all, my name is Flip. Welcome back to the Rustic Way, where we do affordable woodworking. Please subscribe and like the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. If this is your first time, please come back and visit us and support the Rustic Way. Thank you. Today I want to demonstrate to you one of my old projects. This is a wine rack that I've made. It's a very nice present for somebody with a man cave. It's all pallet wood, and you can see it's very rustic. I stripped pallets, that was in the beginning, and I kept these ones because you can't really do anything else with them because they're not square. So what you need is a bottom piece here. You need this piece here. This piece is basically only to support the bottom. This is a champagne bottle. It's a bit bigger than a wine bottle. And I've just got this to show you how it works. So the bottle comes in here, wine bottle, with the cork. So the cork stays wet. That's what this is for. And there's one here as well, and one here, and one there. It will keep the cork wet, so your wine won't get old and dry. It will keep it nice and the cork stays wet. And a wine bottle fits in perfectly there. Here you can put in some other bottles, whiskey, wine, and then here's another plank in here, and then in the back I've just put hardboard at the back just to keep stuff from falling out at the back, but you're going to put it against the wall. So at the bottom it looks like this. You will see there's a little gap here in between the bottom plank and this plank at the bottom. And this plank at the bottom is linked to these two pillars here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glass holders in here. What you do is your glass comes in here and it hangs down there. So if you want to, you just push it a little bit and pick it up. Because what you do is you first make the hole there, and then you take the router and you router this side of the hole so the hole is bigger, so your glass won't slide out, it stays there. And then you put it against the wall and it's very steady, your stuff won't break. You can put it with screws against the wall here. I've drilled in 2 holes there. I will give you the dimensions of this one, but I think it looks quite nice, and it's a very nice present for somebody with a man cave, or just somebody that likes to show off his wine, especially. If you want to put in bigger bottles like champagne or whiskey or whatever, you should just make it a little bit wider, but you can follow the same principle and it should work. I don't think you must make it very longer. This one is about 1 meter long. You will see if I give you the dimensions on at the bottom of this presentation. I will give you all the dimensions for this one. If you make it too long, then I think it's going to be too heavy to be supported here on the wall. Otherwise you will have to support with more than just 2 screws. Thank you for watching. I hope you're going to make yourself or make for a friend one of these.